meu Deus. E é tão bom a gente conversar com as pessoas que a gente vai entendendo o problema, um problema do outro. E ele gostava muito de falar comigo, a gente sempre quando eu estava conversando, ele colocava uma música na primeira ali, de quem? Tempo de criança. Tempo de criança. Tempo de criança.
Radio Nacional Amazona on the Panasonic RF-B300 using only the telescopic antenna in this very beautiful Montreal evening here. So checking out the Panasonic, we'll be tuning around with it a little bit. Probably be tuning with other radios also, so there should be several videos posted of different radios, including the Hang Rongda 747 that I will be looking at a little bit more. So 11780, of course the radio's off a little bit in frequency, that's why it's at 781. Interesting to see that it's not, I mean, we hear it good, but it's not as sensitive as a lot of the modern radios today. Kind of interesting to see that. The good old 80s Panasonic RF-B300 being used tonight. FM breakthrough here. Let's go down a little bit. WWV. Oh, we can hear, I don't know if we'll be able to tune it. Let's check it out. I'm going to put myself here. I'm going to go down. RWM. Moscow time signal, just with the telescopic on the Panasonic RF-B300. These are the RWM time signal, time pips from Moscow, Russia. So at least it's coming on the radio. Oh, I have to switch the that was at the bottom part of number 3. So anyways, I'll be making a video and tuning around and going up from the bottom part of Shortwave 2 that starts roughly in the 80 meter band here. So hope you enjoy these little videos of this old Panasonic RF-B300. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.